Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the website data on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can wake it up by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should see this page, the main page. Now scroll down, find the option called General and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Website Data and tap on it. And right here we have this button called Clear Website Data, my bad. Basically what it does is it's gonna remove the cookies, credentials and the other browsing data, probably like history and stuff like that, from your watch. So if you want to clear your browsing data, simply tap on Clear Website Data, tap on Clear Data, and that's it. That's how you clear the website data. And once you're done, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you clear the website data on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.